Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to be unboxing the HP Deskjet Ink Advantage 2020 HC. It's just a simple printer only, and it's only available in non-English speaking countries. And we had it imported from Singapore in order to do a evaluation on the 46 ink cartridges. It's USB only. It has a high yield black cartridge of 1500 pages and a tricolor at 750, so that's why they call them Ink Advantage. They have a much higher yield than printers that you would buy in United States or UK or Canada. So and maybe that's why they're not available in those areas, because you can afford the ink. But anyway, let's get going on this. It should be pretty easy. Okay, there's nothing really to speak of here on top. No documentation, or usually HPs have documentation up here. It's probably underneath, but it does have this nice kind of tote bag thing. And cardboard inserts versus styrofoam. I'm really kind of wondering where the ink is, but I've tested a few that the ink was packed inside the front cover of the unit. So inside the bag here we have a odd looking power cord. I have dug out this power cord. It plugs into a US outlet in advance. There's a note here about the setup flyer. It says there's electronic help, basic Windows troubleshooting, warranty, and in different languages. There's a setup poster, one page. Take it out of the box and open the front cover, and the rest of the stuff, the brick and the cartridges, are inside a cardboard box and under the front cover. Plug it in, turn it on, install paper, install the ink, install the software. Now it's USB only, so you would don't connect a USB cable until you're instructed during the installation process. And here's some information about HP rewards for ink and a CD-ROM for Windows 7, 8, XP Vista, OS X 10.6. Alright, take it out of this little tote bag here, and you can see it's a really simple unit. One button. Paper, lift this up, paper in there, ink in front, and let's get it up on the desk and finish up the setup. Now this should be fairly easy. Once again, the instructions, just take it out of the box, open the front cover, take out the box under the front cover, and the supplies are in there. There doesn't appear to be a USB cable, so I'm going to have to supply one. Well, we'll find out for sure whether there's a USB cable in this box. Doesn't look like it though, but let's go. And a long piece that goes underneath on each side. And there's 3 on the top to hold the paper tray closed. And there's only manual duplex on this. I'm looking in the back, there's no duplex unit. This is to hold the front door closed, and there's 2 on the side to keep something together. Top doesn't open up or anything. So. Alright, so inside here, let's take this tape off the front. And it's attached to this box this cardboard goes into. And inside under here is the box with the brick, power brick, the ink cartridges, and they're nice enough to ship it with a USB cable. There's a couple more pieces of tape here to hold the output tray together. Okay, wants us to load media, and we use a good quality Hammermill Copy Plus with ink lock, color lock for inkjet. Good media, not too expensive, and it's very consistent for our testing purposes. Put it in the top here. Simply slide the guide over. Alright, the next thing it wants us to do is install a power brick, and this power brick will go from 100 to 240 volts, so I don't have to worry about using a different plug because it'll adapt to the voltage that it's being fed. So let's get it plugged in and turned on. And the power plug and USB port are back here on the top. This only goes in one way. Okay, if I don't need to turn it on, it turns on by itself. In the meantime, let's unwrap these ink cartridges. The arrow to rip here. And this is the 46 multicolor cartridge, which yields 750 pages. This is a lot for a tricolor cartridge. Got to peel this off. And then this black cartridge is even more remarkable. It provides 1,500 pages, which is a lot for just about any inkjet machine. Peel that off. Open the lights blinking here. Probably means there's no ink. So open the front. You can see the cartridge slots are lined up. There's a diagram for black and multicolor. Put the black in first. Print head down first. Slide it in. Push it all the way in. And then up. And it pops into place. Color. Slide it in, push it up, clicks into place, piece of cake, ready to go. This is your output tray. Now it should, the light stop blinking. So it's actually, now it's ready to go. I mean, that was really, really easy. And this printer probably retails for about $30. And you get a lot of prints out of it. Pretty good deal. Too bad you can't buy it in North America. Okay, that's it. We're going to go install the software. And it didn't even print out a test page or anything. Ain't going to waste any ink. So, thanks for watching.